Today we'll talk about OFFED, a OpenType Feature File editor made in Rust. It is a modern visual editor made using Rust, Tauri and Leptos. It has view cell glyph substitution, positioning, UFO font support and open file CSS support. So I'll give a brief overview how to use OFFED editor. To use OFFED editor, we have a preview pane, we have a feature pane and a editor file, as you can see, where you can preview in the text and edit it after compiling the font. For that you will need an UFO font. So you open an UFO font. We are opening a UFO font. You see the feature, there are three parts. What is the feature hierarchy? That's showing what are the languages are there. We have also dark and light mode, and we have also syntax highlighting, which can be toggled off if you don't like it. And there are also features such as we have to compile the font using Fontc. It is instant compilation, and you can see whether the changes are there. You can see that there are three features in the font: ligature, kerning and mark. So you can see the ligature, you can toggle each one off. You can adjust the values. Say you want to reduce the kerning, make it 300, save the file and then compile. Now we have a parser and a validator for the file also. The parser will look for any syntax error. For example, here there is no semicolon, and if you make manually any error in the language tag, etc., the validator will check with the OpenType database and say where the language tag or script tag is wrong or feature tag is wrong or not. And then we can add new script. For that we select the add script button, select a script and select a language system. Commonly default is added in all the script. Then after selecting script, you have to add a feature. You want to add a feature, you select the target system where you want to add a feature. You can also add a feature without target system in the root. We are adding initial feature, initial form feature of Arabic. So you see the feature is added. Now we have to add a lookup. You can add a lookup in the under single substitution lookup init form. You have to give a name to the lookup. Say we give a name Arab init and we add lookup. Lookup is added to the FEA feature file on clicking. So visually you can edit the feature file. Now we have to add the rules. We have the rules are, as you know, we'll go with Arabic Bay. It is the isolated form, is named as Bay R. We take that, and then we have to substitute it, single substitution, as the name of the file. It is uni F91. Check for that the structure is all right. We validate whether we have made error in the names. We save and reload. Now you can see the feature hierarchy is shown in the left pane. Now we have to test. For test, you have to type the bay. Okay, let's select the Arabic keyboard and type bay, but init feature is not there because we have not yet recompiled the font. So you can increase the size of the pen as you wished, or you can switch it off if not required. Then we have to recompile, compile and preview. Now if you recompile, you can see the init feature is working what you have added. You can also export the font from the compile menu. Thank you for your kind view.